Damn, look at that dude go. Look at that, holy shit. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to another adventure of me probably getting lost and not exactly know where I am. So, man, can't believe this. So, judging by the title of this video, today's video is going to be a little unorthodox, a little crazy. I hate this stuff. I don't know. I don't like talking about this stuff. I don't like bringing it up. I'm a very personal person, so I don't share too much of my feelings. But God, this shit frustrated me so much. So much. And I don't like making videos like this, but I have to. This shit is just so fucking annoying. Getting onto the highway always reminds me of that meme. One went to race car driver and it's facing him, the camera. It says, how I feel entering the highway. I don't know why, every single time, that's how I feel. So before I actually get into this video, I'm gonna make sure I get off this highway first because it's still extremely windy. Out of the way, Bernie Sanders supporter. Yep, still haven't made it to Six Flags yet. Oh look, the road's going down. God, that looks so fun. I gotta get there. I think I want to get a little more out of the way of all of this traffic as well. I don't know if it's going to be a short video, long video. There might be a lot of footage because of highway driving and stuff like that. So I'll hit our brakes. Here's our exit. Negative. No, I'm gonna be as lost as you are. 2.5 gallons. Pretty good. Okay, so let me start this video off finally, now that we're off of every single highway. Some people, I'm not gonna mention any names, I'm sure they're not gonna be watching this either. I've noticed they like to leave a lot of negative comments. Now, normally, negative comments don't bother me at all. Like, I don't give a shit. But these are people that I know, and they think they're funny, and they're really not. And it's kind of upsetting I even have to talk about this. But it's just shit that, oh my God, it's been fucking pissing me off so much. I'm sure everybody gets it. I mean, it's one of those things that happens. It's the negative comments on things that you post or are interested in doing or you start pursuing. Sorry, kind of concentrating. And that's why. It's starting to annoy me because everything I post, I'll post something that I'm looking to do, maybe another project car, and people are like, why are you getting another project car? You can't even finish your first one. And it's one of those things where it's, why, what are you worried about? Like, is this stopping you from living your life? Probably not. And then they always say, oh, you spent so much money on your car, it's a waste of money. Am I paying your bills too? Are you struggling because I'm building a car? Are you struggling because I buy motorcycles constantly? Oh wow, it's a nice view. No, you're not. And they think they're funny when they post comments about things that I'm passionate about. So cars for one, and I know I shouldn't be upset about people making comments about it, but it just, when you constantly do it, it just starts getting fucking annoying. It's one of those things where I'm not even gonna fucking entertain it anymore. Like, I'm not even gonna comment back or anything. I'm just gonna let them have their fucking their piece. If they want to make fun of it, you go right ahead and make fun of it, because I'm fucking done with that shit, man. And it's starting to really, I mean, oh my god, it's just fucking annoying. Just shut up. And then there's other people that they like to try to ruin your life in any way, shape, or form, whatever they may be doing. So for instance, I had a buddy of mine. So me and him were cool. We were tight. He was cool with my family. When I was in Japan, he used to go visit my parents and everything. And then everything took a turn for the worse. Like I don't even know. It just started going downhill real fast. I'm supposed to be over there, I think. Oh, maybe. Fuck, I think I was supposed to go that way. Shit balls titty fuck. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to go that way. Fuck. Now I'm going the right way. The real thing is, I don't know where I left off. Anyway, back to the story. So, like I said, this so-called buddy of mine, he knew this girl that I was talking to. We were both friends with her. He actually introduced me to her. I hit it off. We started talking. We chilled a couple times. Then something happened between me and someone else that it was personal, very personal, between me and this other person. He caught wind of it, went around and told this chick that our friend that I was talking to, everything that happened, everything. And he's like, I did it to protect you. Motherfucker, no you didn't. So he basically ruined all chances. Her and I don't even talk anymore, like at all. You know what? I'm gonna pull over real quick before I continue. I have to figure out where the hell I'm going. So like I was saying, he ended up telling her fucking everything. Then he turns around, he wants to be my friend still, like my boy, asking me how my mother's doing and how my parents are doing, and I'm just like, who the fuck are you, bro? Like, no, you're not about to fucking shit all over me, and then you want to turn around and take my hand and be like, oh, we're best friends. Like, I don't play that shit, man. So basically I told him to go fucking kick rocks. So this goes to all the people that fucking are sitting here doubting me, questioning my every fucking move, man. I need all of you to open up your eyes, look in the mirror, and start focusing on the reflection, okay? Because you should be focused on yourself, not me. No way, man. It's just so sad how people, they have to question your every fucking move, everything that you do, and if you're not doing it to their standards, it's completely wrong. It's not correct. You shouldn't be doing that with your life. You should be doing this with your life, you know. Hope you guys watch to the end of this video, because I have something that I do want to say right away. Thank you. This turn is, forgot about that turn. That shit came out of nowhere. Let's go, we can hit the gas pedal there, chief. And I guess the only way for these people to feel good about themselves is to kind of be pessimistic towards your life. Like, how can we pick little things out of this person's life and make it seem like his life isn't good and my life is grand? That's what they're trying to do. And honestly, if I was you and you're watching this video and you're going through the same shit as I'm going through, get rid of those people, because I can assure you, I'm cleansing my phone, I'm cleansing my Facebook, I'm cleansing my Instagram. I don't want to be a part of this shit no more. It's so tiresome, and it's just, oh, so frustrating. It's so fucking frustrating. But can we take a minute to look at these fucking views? Whew, got the beach in the background. Oh, give me mountains over the beach any day, or mountains on the beach. Oh, sorry, I keep getting sidetracked. So just because you're unhappy with your life and your relationships and your past relationships, don't take it out on everyone else. I know I didn't. Okay, I've been through fucking shitty relationships before. I've been fucking played by girls before, and it hurts. It does. But at the same time, they can go fuck themselves. Plain and simple. I'm not gonna sit here and try to be best friends with fucking people that aren't about positivity in my life. That's not gonna help me grow. You don't have to grow with me, okay? But don't try to fucking pull me down the ladder when I start climbing it. If there's something in your life that you want to pursue, life is not gonna wait for you to pursue it, okay? You need to get off your fucking ass and go and get that shit. Go and get it. Even in the mountains there's traffic. Jeez. So I'm gonna talk about this a little bit more a little bit later. Too many little bits. Speed limit 25, so we're gonna go fucking 15. Oh yeah, we are definitely going right here. Always got to get my signature shot right here. A toast. Out of the way, bicycle. Nobody likes you guys. Out of the way. Oh. Wow. That's fucking... Oh my goodness. Good. I hope that's painful for you. I hope you're struggling and you hate your life right now for riding a bicycle up a mountain. Good. Struggle. Struggle. I think I'm just gonna park right here. Away from those bikes. And we're gonna go hiking. I look like an idiot. Excuse my heavy breathing. Oh, this was a terrible idea. You guys that are watching, why'd you let me do this? Yeah. Hey. I don't exactly have the best hiking shoes on either. Holy shit. You know I was gonna be scaling a mountain. You okay?
I'm good. I'm slow.
You're welcome. I'm not that much of a dick. I'm just following you guys. Don't go that way. Oh, hot Cheeto. Hopefully this rock don't fall. Well, I'll just fall right there. Alright, I'm gonna shut this camera off because I'm sweating my face off. If that even makes sense. I'll come back to you guys when I'm down at the bottom by my bike.
Later.
Alright, made it down. It was actually a lot easier to go down, obviously. Whoa, easy, get out of the way, bicycles. I locked my rear brake up. Yeah! I had enough of this. That was my mistake. I'll fully admit it. Why is everyone hitting their fucking brakes, man? I don't have time. Are you kidding me? Wow, come on. I love tight fits, challenges. Holy shit! Cannot believe I survived that. Oh my goodness. You know what? Round of applause for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and conclude today's video. One of the things I do want to say is, if you guys are going through what I went through before, with friends, family, and relationships, I need all of you guys to just say, fuck them. Get rid of them. Get rid of that toxic relationship in your life. I suffer with someone that's suffering. It doesn't make any sense. So like I said, fuck all those people. Fuck all the people that are in my life that tell me what to do, tell me how to live my life. Y'all can all go fucking kick rocks. All I'm saying is go out, get what you want, do what you want. So as always, I need all of you guys to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life goals. Always remember, success never comes easy. You gotta work your ass off for it. The Boy Machine here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste our time then. Killing the game and I